मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज के वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 3 नाजिज्म एंड राइज ऑफ हिटलर का लेक्चर फर्स्ट देखने वाले हैं। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। This lesson explains the rise of Hitler and his art propaganda, the areas on which he concentrated to make the Germany a world power. Birth of the Weimar Republic. Germany fought the First World War in 1914-18 to 1918, along with the Australian Empire and against the Allies England, France, and Russia. Germany initially made gain by the occupying France and the Belgium. Allies won, defeating Germany and the Central Power in 1918. The defeat of Imperial Germany gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties. The cast Germany polity in National Assembly met a Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. The republic, however, was not received well by its own people because of its term, force, and now. Treaty of the Versailles. Germany lost its overseas colonies in tenth of population, 13% of its territory, and 75% of its 26% of coal, France, Poland, and Lithuania. To weaken its power, the Allied power to determines the Germany. Okay. Now the war guilt clause forced Germany to pay a compensation amounting to 6 billion pound. The resources rich Rhineland, the occupied by the Allied army for such of 1920s. The effect of war. The war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically and financially. From being a creator, Europe became a debater. The support of the Weimar Republic were criticized. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians. Aggressive war propaganda and the national honor became important. The fragile democracy could not survive and led to the instability in the Europe. Political radicalism and the economic crisis. The birth of Weimar Republic and the Separatist League went hand in. The Separatists found the Communist Party of Germany. Political radicalism and the economic crisis. The birth of Weimar Republic and the Spartakist League went hand in hand. The Spartacist found the Communist Party of the Germany. The political instability in the Germany paved the way of the Hitler. Political radicalization was the heightened by the economic crisis 1923. Germany had to pay war reparation in the gold, which led to the depletion of gold reserve. Hence, Germany refused to pay the war reparation, and France occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr. Germany retaliated with the printing paper currency recklessly. The value of the mark collapsed. Price of goods sold. There was a hyperinflation. 1924 to 1928 saw some stability, yet it was built on a sand. Germany was totally dependent on the term. Germany was totally dependent on the term loan on the USA. From the USA. This support was withdrawn from the crash in 1928 of the Wall Street Exchange. The German economy was hit badly. It led to the social unrest. The middle class and the working population were filled with the fear of proletariation. The Weimar Republic defects. The Proportional Representation Article 48 gave the president the power to impose emergency, suspend civil rights, and rule by the decree. Hitler rise to the power. Hitler was born in Austria in 1889. He earned many medals for the bravery in the First World War. The German defeat horrified him. The Treaty of Versailles made him furious. He joined the German Work Party and renamed in the National Socialist German Worker Party. This later come to be known as the Nazi Party. Nazism became a mass movement only during the Great Depression. The Nazi propaganda stirred hope of a better future. Hitler was a powerful and effective speaker. He promised the people a strong nation where all people would get employment. His politics include the significant ritual and the spectacles in the mass of mobilization. Hitler understood the significance of ritual and the spectacle in the mass of mobilization. He used the swastika symbol, red banner, pamphlet, and the ritualized round of applause to great effect during his massive rallies. Nazi propaganda skillfully project Hitler as a Messiah, a savior. The destruction of democracy on the 13th January, Hitler chancellorship by the president was Hindenburg. Hitler achieved the highest position in the cabinet of the minister on 30 January 1933. Hitler now set out of the dismantle the structure of democratic rule. The fire decree of 28 February 1933 suspended civil rights like freedom of speech, press, and assembly. Communists were they hurriedly packed off to newly established concentration camps. All political parties were banned. Social surveillance and security forces were created to control the people and rule with impunity. The famous Enabling Act was passed on 3 March 1933. This act gave all power to the Hitler and established dictatorship in Germany. The regular police in a green uniform and a or restore trooper were the existing police force. Additional police force were also raised. The Gestapo, Secret State Police, the SS, the Protection Squad, and Criminal Police and the Security Service. Deconstruction. Economist Hazalmas Sketchet was given the responsibility of economical recovery. He initiated a state-funded work creation program to ensure the full production and the full employment. The regular police in the green uniform and the essay of the stormtrooper were the existing police force. Additionally, police forces were also raised: the Gestapo troops, the SS protection squad, criminal police, and the security service. The famous Autobahn and the Volkswagen were the result of this period. He aimed at full protection and the funded employment through a state-funded work creation program. Hitler pulled out of the League of National 1930, reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936, integrated Austria, Germany in 1938 under the slogan "One People, One Empire, the One Leader." He then took Sudetenland from the Czechoslovakia, and this line is important. Germany in 1930 under the slogan "One People," yani this slogan is important: "One People, One Empire, and the One Leader." And Hitler had the unspoken support of the England. He chose war as a war out of the economic crisis. Resources were to be accumulated through the expansion of the territory. In the September 1940, Germany invaded Poland. This started a war with France and England. USA registered involvement in the war. But when Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombarded Pearl Harbor, the USA entered the war. The war ended in 1945 with the Hitler defeat the USA. Not a USA, it's a US bombing of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Here we stop this lecture at this slide. Now, in next video we will study about further story of this chapter. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that notification of upcoming video will you will get on a time. Thanks for watching the video.